Okay guys, so I'm here with my dude Gary, and he brought out his truck for me. The Silverado, ain't it?
Yeah.
What year is it?
2010.
2010 Silverado, lifted with the 22-inch mutter rims with the 38-inch tire, fuels, powder coated white and purple to match the truck. It's nasty too. Fuel grill to match the rim, the light bar up top, the aftermarket hood. That hood, that motherfucker.
Ram Air hood.
That's the Ram Air hood. That motherfucker nasty. Fog light, LED lights. Right. I don't know if y'all can see that. Got the Chevy symbol in the light. Clean as fuck. That white and that purple hitting, ain't it? Yeah.
I got the custom pipe tips made.
Right. Got to get all up in this. Shocks and springs for that lift kit. That outrageous lift on this puppy. Powder coated, match the truck. What else you gonna do to it?
Put the air right on it so it'll drop.
Oh, so you can drop it up and down?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
That's the automatic step rails. Open the doors, they fold down. You can see closely around the flares. It got the spikes, purple spikes to match the truck. Fuel rims, 22-inch rims, 38-inch tires.
Then you got the tips right here. Then you got the 6 straight horns underneath.
Got the custom exhaust tips.
Horns all the way out here.
Right.
Yeah.
The 6 air horns. Damn thing loud as hell when he hit that horn. You'll see the rear end. Got the LED lights behind the rim.
I got that big tank back here for the horns.
Okay, yeah. MSD air tank for them loud ass air horns. Damn. That's what make that damn thing so loud, huh?
Yeah. Yup.
Got the big ass trailer hitch. Dual exhaust, both with the custom tips, big ass tips.
I got the tail lights got on.
Got the custom tail lights with the LED lights and the spikes. Oh no man, the purple spikes. Motherfucking tail lights nasty.
Yeah.
Most of this was like this when you bought it, or so what state? Where did you get it from?
Nashville, Tennessee.
You had to go down to Nashville to get it? Okay. Damn, that motherfucking nasty.
Yeah, Nashville.
Okay guys, let me climb up in this thing for y'all. See that custom interior? What the interior did. You about to do the air ride soon?
Well, do come with that money, I'm gonna let it go. But
okay.
yeah,
Somebody thinking about buying it?
He said 30 days.
Oh, really? Hey, that money talk.
Yeah.
Everything got a price. This motherfucker nice, but everything got a price, baby.
That hood up.
Okay.
Yeah, everything got a price.
Damn sure do.
Yeah.
Up in this interior, custom interior. Black insert, leather, white outside with the purple piping. And trust me guys, the music in here is stupid loud. I'm just not gonna play it because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. But trust me, it's very loud. Double D and Pioneer touchscreen. Got the dash lit up. Digi. Well, actually, it's not digi, but it's definitely lit up. Like the blue background, got the purple Chevy symbol. Got the suede hand lining. Rear window tinted. Power step bar. Got the kid stuffed animal. Trust and believe me, no animal was hurt during this video, and I mean that. Got the Lambo doors front. Custom covers in the engine, carbon fiber look, match the paint, purple, did up nice and neat, MSD. Got the Optima yellow top battery. Nice, bro. Got two batteries.
Yeah.
Got two batteries. Okay, guys, so there you have it. Dude, Silverado 1500 sitting to the sky. Touching the sky. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of the truck. Make too much trouble. Like the video, share the channel, and subscribe. And I appreciate that.